It's very pretty, isn't it?
I want to explain to you how I got involved with all these birds here. Okay, again, the birds are not from Earth. About 7 months ago, I walked out my door to a sky I would not, you could not believe. I have videos and everything as well. But I figured something out, and that figuring it out got their attention. A cloud appeared in the sky, a rainbow came out. The cloud traveled with us at 65 miles an hour. You're going to see the video. All right, I didn't know it was going to happen, but in the clouds themselves, you can actually see the birds' faces. There's 3 birds. All right, there's 3 birds that are in charge of the entire thing. You're going to meet them at the end of the video, believe it or not.
Are you getting nervous?
No.
Okay. I don't know how I'm supposed to go there. I'm not gonna do that. Can't go down like that. There's the rainbow. The ships are, the bottom of them, they're black. Have little black circles. That's how you see that. Oh, it's following us. So apparently this world is a lot of damage. Okay. I'm gonna stop talking. You'll be afraid. Rachel, I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just saying that that's pretty weird. Alone. There's still a rainbow right there. And I want to show you what it's going to look like in the camera. Come on, dog. Alright, so this is the meeting spot. This dog Scooby. That's great. Aliens. You notice where the rainbow came out? Uh-huh. How's that possible?
You don't always see the
Okay. Okay, I'm ready. I'm on a nature hunt today. I found this bird over here. Just want to look at it. Hi, bird. Hi. Just want to say hi. How are you? You look pretty over there. What? You like to fly? Can I take some pictures of you? Okay. Go anywhere. You go anywhere. All right, now look up. And look to your left and then your right. There you go. You have any friends? I'm gonna walk off. This I don't know why this is a very pretty shot, especially what's above. Okay, look what's above right now. Okay, I'm gonna walk around over here. I know this is probably a terrible video, but it's the best I can do right now. Right, so I'm just posting all these videos together. I'm gonna take some photos of you just like this. I know I don't know how the translation. It's not a translation. They already know. But I don't know how long it takes. Can you spread your wings? Spread your wings. Look at me like I'm nuts. We're gonna figure this communication out. This is the closest I've been. Okay, I'm gonna take some photos too. Well, that's gonna put all this together. Okay. And I want another feather. It's better than. I'm gonna take pictures now. Right now. Listen. See, it's a delay. Thank you. That is absolutely beautiful. I'm not leaving. Oh my God. I guess we do have to leave. So if you're an expert, I guess I don't know what the biology is, but I guarantee you this isn't. Oh. Thank you. Not from this earth. Beautiful. Thank you. Now I can get you guys. Here we go. Beautiful shots here. Sam, look up. I'll get everybody here. No fuzzing perfect. You still have to fuzz later though. Okay? Don't stop the fuzzing. Right there behind you. Sam. Yeah, here's the car. Oh, here's the car. Oh. Yeah. But they don't like human. Good to see they're showing you background, by the way. Look. They're like, hey, look at this, please. Look at all this. Beautiful. Okay. This is what I like here. Look. Now look. They're coming right over the house. Beautiful. Wait, right there. Almost perfect on. Just like that. See how the sun hits it? That's perfect. All right, let's all do this. Oh, totally fuzzing. I did fix that. I don't think I can do it. That's a verification process right now. There we go. Remember, house. Now look, they're swarming. I love it. Of course, that means something's coming. Look, they're swarming. This is so pretty. I hear it. I do. Just want to show you out here too. You're not alone. This is a beautiful bird. You're fuzzing a little bit. It's alright. I'd rather have them fuzz. I know.